Okay, surprise guys, it's Friday and you're getting a video. What I'm going to try to do is recreate one that I did a while back. I've tried that once before, but that didn't work out. So right now I'm giving it a little bit more water because it needs a little thinning. That looks okay. Yeah, okay, that's the right thickness. This one's already okay. This is the Titan buff with a lot of white. That looks okay too. And this is a sort of bronze gold color. And ooh, let's not forget the silicone. So I'm going to put 2 drops in each color. There we go. Now I have been busy today because I have been doing a resin, which you will see I think tomorrow when it's ready. And I have been doing another pour that was a background for something that I had in my mind. I was going to do a really pretty sort of a pastel background for with blues and greens for red poppies, because I printed that out, laser printer. But seeing the background, it turned out really pretty, which you will see tomorrow. But I think I'll put a rose on it. That feels a little bit better. Okay, now you'll see all those tomorrow. Now we're gonna get my cup. Let's get a clean cup. Why does it stick together? I don't know. Usually because I have everything contaminated. Okay, it doesn't work. That won't release itself. This one will. That doesn't look too clean in there. This one is better. Okay, let's start doing this. So I'm going to start with the lightest color, which I usually do. Then we're going to put in some of that really nice metallic color. Then the blue. Then the rest of the Titan buff. More of the metallic. More of the salmon color. But now I'm layering it on top because the first ones I did from up high, so it would mix right through all the paints. But these I'm just layering on top, as you can see. Getting it all out. That's it. So guys, guess who's getting a birthday pretty soon? Me. Yep. The big 5'9". Almost to the 60, the 60. I don't want to be 60. That is way too old. That is disgusting, 60. Sorry. I just don't feel that old. Oh well. Let's just be happy we get there, right? Okay, now I'm gonna put it on top like I always do. Turn it around, push it up, and pull it back. Woo! That spilt right over the side. Gotta get some there, and I want some down here. Now that worked out pretty well. Where's my torch? The thing is, what I want to do, ooh, that's some nice cells. Ooh, very pretty. Ooh, I love these. And it's almost empty, like usual. Just do 3 short sprays. That's better. Okay, that's enough. That is kind of nice too. Okay. Oops, going over the side. This is working out pretty well. I like this. Look at that. That is really beautiful. The only thing I would wish for is a little bit more of the blue. So I'm pulling it down. There it is. That's a lot of blue. That is pretty. Wow, that worked out pretty fine. Let me put it down. Now I've got to clean my hands first. So I took 2 days off from work. I have Friday and Monday off. So I'm going to be doing a lot of pouring. Let's just give it a little to get rid of those little air bubbles. That's looking okay. Maybe give it a little tap that they come to the surface. Okay, I've got most of my corners covered. I was going to do a lot of house chores because they, you know how that works. When you work and you do this, you know, you don't get much time to do anything else. But then I thought, well, no, I don't feel like doing housework. Let's just paint. I can always do that when it cools down a bit more. Okay, that's good. And it's 24 degrees in here, so that's okay. That's better than last week. It was really hot. Now, as you can see, it did work. We have some beautiful cells. I'll give you a close-up. Like here in the corner, I really love those. Love what's going on here. This is a little bit, you know, chaotic, I think. But that's okay because what I wanted to have is a base to put those dots on. I want really nice, pretty dots. But I'll have to wait till it's dry. But, you know, the color is just amazing. I love these colors. So I'm going to wait till it's dry. And then I'm going to come in with a really pretty, maybe a little bit more intense blue than I have in my pour. But I'm going to put dots right down here. And I'm going to come in with a metallic. Let me put this away, guys. So I'm going to put in on metallic dots and sort of pull it all together. So metallic and blue. Let me get in focus here. There it is. And let's see if we can do something with this because I always hate to waste that much paint. Not sure if I'm really digging this, but we'll see. Getting the little palette knife involved here. Scoop this up, pull it down there, and I'll give you the colors. I will put them in a slide. So pour it off. Nah, this is not something I think is really pretty. Not for jewelry, because jewelry it really has to pop a little bit. There are little bit of cells popping up, really little bit of them. See that? What might do the trick though is if I used a little bit of glitter. Let's see. This one. This is a really fine art glitter. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. That might be pretty. Who knows? Okay, I can't find the other one. I had a bronze from the same thing. Let's see, is it here? No, it's not. Well, I'll have to go find that because I use it a lot. But can you see how it glitters now? Just a little bit. Because you don't want to overdo it. You just want to have a little sparkle when the light hits it. See that? Well, I can see it. I guess you guys can't. Sorry about that, guys. But I'm going to keep this one. That's that. And what I'd like to do is maybe just a little bit more of the orange. This is just orange with orange. It is pale terracotta and it's titanium white. These are pretty colors. Okay, let's see if we can do something with this. We'll let it come down. Maybe not. I gotta make a little, this can go. So maybe I'll just get out a tiny bit of blue and pull that over there. That did work, but it's just a really, really small bit. Let's see. Oops, there you go. There it is. And this background now is turning muddy, so I don't think we'll do anything with that. Sometimes you just want to test it. This is kind of pretty, but it's too light blue, and I would much rather have it just, you know, the contrast just a little bit more, so I'm not going to keep this one. Let's just scrape this up. Be a little bit easier for the cleanup. And as you can see how fast this turns into one color. This is almost one color. See that? Just a couple of ups and downs, and there it is. One totally base color. Okay guys, this is the extra video that I wanted to give you today. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing a lot of videos. Of course, I have to wait for that background to dry. That might take till Sunday, who knows. But I'm going to be doing maybe another one of these colors tomorrow, a bigger one, a 30 by 30. And I'll use a little bit more of an intense blue than this is. So I'm going to keep this just for reference. And that's something that you can do too. Let me throw this away. See, if you're making something and you know, you like it, but you're thinking, oh, okay, this could have been that, or this could have been that. Good thing to do is keep this for reference. So when you're mixing up your next batch, you can just, you know, compare to this, and that way you get exactly what you want. So this color was okay, so I'm going to keep this one for reference also. This one was also okay. We'll keep that for reference. And this is something that I just mixed up. I put some pigments in here and some gold and some bronze and some copper, and it just, you know, mixed into this beautiful color. It has this light luster over it that is kind of appealing, which I do like. So that's it. I'm gonna stop the video right now, guys. Gonna clean up my mess, and tomorrow I did want to give you a sneak peek about the resin I'm doing, because it is awesome. I'll tell you a little, I'll give away a little bit of it. I put glass nuggets in it, glass nuggets and beads, and it is totally flashy and beautiful, and I'm doing two side by side, so when you hang them up you can hang them next to each other, so they look similar but not totally, because you never get the same thing. But I'm going to do a little sort of a water impression on top of it. So I'm pouring it in 2 layers. I just ordered my new resin because I was running low, and it'll be here tomorrow, so you'll see me back tomorrow. So love you all to pieces, as I always do. Liebe euch alle wie immer. Hou voor jullie allemaal zoals altijd. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.